Cordless Angle Grinder reviews for the best cordless angle grinder to buy. Features of the Dewalt DC412B 18-volt cordless grinder. 6500 RPM provides high power. 2-position side handle. Quick change wheel release. Low profile, jam pot gear case. Compatible with these batteries, DC9096, DC9180. Compatible with these chargers, DCB103, DW9117, DC9310, DC9319, DC9320, DC012. Full 1-year service contract and 3-year limited warranty. Features of the Dewalt DCG412B, 20V4 and 1/2 of an inch grinder. 7000 RPM motor provides significant power. Quick change wheel. Tool-free guard. Includes 5 inches by 1/4 of an inch T27 metal grinding wheel. Ideal for electricians, mechanical contractors, ironworkers. Compatible with these batteries, DCB200, DCB201. Compatible with these chargers, DCB101, DCB119, DCB103. 3-year limited warranty and 1-year free service. Features of the Makita BGA452Z 18-volt cordless cut-off/angle grinder. Makita-built motor delivers 10,000 RPM. Built-in lead protection circuit with over torque control protects. 12-1/2 inches long and only 5.0 lbs weight. Soft grip handle. 18-volt LXT battery, sold separately, and charges in only 30 minutes. Slide switch with lock-on. Equipped with star protection computer controls. 3-year warranty on tool. Features of the Porter Cable Bear Tool PC188G cordless angle grinder. High torque 18V motor produces 8,500 RPM. Cast metal gear housing. Ergonomic soft grip handle with trigger guard. 3-position adjustable side handle. Spindle lock feature. Battery type, Li-ion and NACD. Battery and charger sold separately. Features of the Bear Tool Milwaukee 2680-20 grinder. Overload protection prevents damage. L-shaped vents keep debris. Tool-free, burst-resistant guard. Easy to access and actuate tool-free guard. Paddle switch design. Up to 35% faster cutting speed. Up to 50% more cuts on a single charge. 3-position side handle. Works with M18X high-capacity lithium-ion batteries.